Tech New episode 2, and I have been planning to put one video in every day at morning 6 a.m. So please make sure to watch the Tech New episodes from Rohit Science Experiment. So let's go to inside the second news of the Tech New episodes. So in this episode I have collected 4 interesting newses, and 3 are from CES, and one is also from CES but from 2018, and it is one of an unnoticed super technology that I want to say you. So that's what I'm gonna reveal it. And other thing is, the tech news is all about, not about the daily tech news. It is about new technologies which are unnoticed by many of the peoples. So let's go into today's tech new episodes. The first is an interesting news. Many of you have been watched the Star Wars movie, and in Star Wars movie, many of you know the BB-8 character, which is a robot which can walk within circle, and many of the companies made a clone of it. Now Samsung has made a robot called Bally. So it is not like a clone, but it uses nearly same technology to move what that robot uses. You can see in the screen, and this robot is a spherical rolling robot that will remind you of the BB-8 which I told, and is a human-centric vision of robots that take personalized care to the next level. So it has high amount of AI which can help people, and this is actually designed to help people around the house using the AI which is on the device itself. So it is an intelligent rolling ball that understands about us. And the Samsung has launched it in CES 2020, and the name is Bally, and it is a product launched by the Samsung. And the next news is a news that many of you has know this already. That is the concept one phone from OnePlus. I'm not speaking about the phone right now. I'm just speaking about the technology implemented in that phone. Many of you know that the company McLaren, which is a race car company, they are putting partnership for OnePlus for the past 1.5 years. So now OnePlus has made an interesting technology in mobiles with the partnership with McLaren, and the technology name is electrochromic glass technology. It is actually the technology which can hide the camera invisible and display it only when you open the camera app. You can see the footage in the screen, and it is given the name as invisible camera. And this device makes a breakthrough exploration in mobile smartphone CMF, color, material and finish, and this is a great technology for for mobile phones. And this will be the future of mobile cameras. And so let's go to the next news in our list. It is also an interesting news about, this is also from the company Samsung. Samsung has launched a new and interesting technology which can be implemented to all users without paying, and that is selfie type. So selfie type is a project of Samsung's in-house idea, and it is actually made with the Samsung's camera. So the selfie camera will be focusing on our hand. It can make any surface into a keyboard. So for example, they given stand with it. When you keep your phone in the stand, you can see in the video, and you can just move your hands as you will type in the real keyboard of a computer or laptop, and it senses our finger movement and types in the screen. And that is the thing of it, Samsung selfie type. You can also see it in the display. So this is Samsung's new virtual keyboard thing. And the next thing is the thing which I came to say, the cyber shoes, which is launched at 2018 E3 CES, and it is an interesting thing. So it is actually a shoe which we can use it for virtual reality. it is combination of you just need this shoes and VR glass and also and chair, so that you can feel the in-game movements easily with the shoes. The shoe has an wheel under it, so that you could simply move your legs, and it will change the direction according to the display. It is a great idea, but now it is not famous that much. So I have added into this list. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. And let's meet on another video tomorrow at 6 o'clock. So be ready for that. Thank you. Let's meet on next video. Bye.